In this video, I explain cylinder with cushionings, why cushioning is required, what happen if we not use the cushioning, and how the cushioning is work in a cylinders. If the cylinder is long, then what the stroke length is more. Okay, stroke length means the distance between the two ends, means distance travel by the piston, it's called as the stroke. So this stroke length is more if the cylinder is long and speed is high, piston speed is high. Then naturally the piston impact on the end cover is considerably high. Means if the piston velocity is high, then the piston is strike with the end cover, means piston is strike with the cap end and the rod end. Okay, and when the piston is strike with this cap end and rod ends, it's damage the cap end and the rod end, and we need to replace it after the sometimes. So avoid these things, we need to use the cushionings in a cylinders. Okay, and if you use the cushioning in the cylinders, okay, the piston is not strike with the end. Okay, and it's avoid the damaging of the rod ends. Okay, so how it is cushioning is achieved? Cushioning is achieved by reducing the piston velocity near the rod end or a cap end, means near the end we are reducing the speed of the piston and approximate 0 towards the end. So how it is achieved, that we discuss later on. So when we are not using the cushioning, then what happen? Continuous hammering of the piston on this cover plate and cause the loosening of tie rods and leakage of the fluids. Also it will damage the cover plate, hence to avoid the sudden impact of piston on the cover plate, cylinder with cushionings are used. So I hope you can clearly understand why cushioning is required and what happen if you not use the cushionings. Okay, now cylinder with cushioning is shown in this figure. Now in this figure you see this portion is the cylinder. Okay, and this is the cap end side of the cylinder, this is the inlet. Okay, and here the cushioning adjusting screw is there, and here you see one additional check valve is used. Why this check valve is provided, that I discuss later on. Here O-ring is there. Okay, this is the piston and this is the piston rod. In a piston, on a left side we use the piston nose to do the cushioning effect. This cushioning with the cylinder has integral flow control valve, check valve in its end cover plates. So here you see this on the end cover plates the check valve is provided. The piston rod has projected nose equal to the diameter of inlet pot passage. Now on the piston, here you see that piston nose is provided, and this piston nose diameter is equal to the diameter of inlet pot passage, means here you see this inlet pot passage is there. Okay, so this diameter of the inlet pot passage and the diameter of the piston nose are same. During retraction, piston is moved towards the left, means during retraction strokes the piston is start to move from right to left side. Okay, and nose is enter the pot, means this nose is enter in this pot. Okay, and when this nose is enter in a pot, what happen? Only the restricted passage through the FCV is left, and hence the flow is reduced and resulting in further movement of the piston is slow, means flow is reduced on these sides and the piston velocity is reduced. Okay, so when this piston nose is enter in this passage, so restricted flow is coming from the FCV and is reduce the further moment of the piston, means reduce the further moment of the piston means reduce the velocity of the piston. This how the cushioning is achieved. So simple meaning of cushioning is the slow end of stroke. Slow end of the stroke means when the piston velocity is reduced, it is not strike to the cover and the stress on the cover is reduced. During extension, the piston is moving toward right. Okay, now when the retraction stroke is over, then what happened? This nose is completely inside this passage and the piston is on these positions. Okay, then how the flow is coming? So flow is coming from inlet these sides. Okay, so flow is not coming. So for the flow here the check valve is provided. Okay, so during extension, when the piston is moving towards the right, working fluid is supplied to inlet ports. Means at the starting of extension, this piston is completely here and this nose is completely inside this passage. Okay, so inlet is not coming directly to the cylinders. Okay, so oil is first enter in this check valve, and from this check valve they applied the force on the piston, and piston is start to move towards the right sides, left to right sides, and this is called as the extension strokes. Now since this part is closed by the nose, means when we supplied the inlet oils, the passage is closed by this nose. Working fluid has to flow through the restricted passage of FCV. It will not produce sufficient force to start the movement of the pistons. So oil is coming from this restricted passage of the FCV, and this will not produce sufficient force to start the movement of the piston. Hence the check valve is provided. Okay, here you see hence the check valve is provided through which working fluid flow freely and move the piston. So at the starting of the extension, this nose is completely inside the passage, and the oil coming from the FCV are not able to move the pistons. Okay, that's why the check valve is provided. So oil coming from the FCV is enter in this check valve, and the check valve is applied the force on the piston, and piston is start to move. Now what is the application of the cylinder with cushionings? So it is used in a various types of the packing machines, material handling machines. This cushioning is used in a hydraulic as well as pneumatic both the systems. So thank you for watching this video. If you learned something, then like the video and subscribe my channels for watching the more video related to the OHP and the other subject of the mechanical engineering. For the OHP, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in a playlist. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist. For the OHP subject, various link is available in a card mean on the top right screen of your mobile or laptop. You see the I symbols.